So another question that I get often is, how should I organize my photos? And the answer is really however fits you, however you think about your photos, whether that's chronologically or by person, place, event, etc. And really, the good news is that regardless of how you organize initially, by making sure that we have some metadata put in instead of browsing like most people do on their phone, looking through their photos, all of their photos, we can begin to search using some of those criteria like date, person, place, event, and it makes it much easier to find the photos that you really want. So if you have any questions about organizing your photos, put them in the comments below, and happy searching through your collection and organizing it so that you know what photos you have that will tell your story.